Do you want to make money on Fiverr? With AI tools, you can make money without having any skills. The demand for AI art has been steadily increasing, and so Fiverr has decided to open new AI categories. Let's take a look at AI art. There are currently over 13,000 gigs in this category. Sellers mostly offer the creation of avatars, cartoon characters, or landscapes. The majority of them use Midjourney. I was also generated by the Midjourney AI tool. You can watch how in this video. In this example, let's check a seller who makes landscape art. Now, let's generate our own landscape art using Midjourney. Go to Midjourney and type /. Then select the first option and type your prompt. AR stands for aspect ratio. Since we want a landscape picture, I have chosen 7:4. Here you can see common Midjourney aspect ratios. Wait till Midjourney generates your image. It will always generate 4 images from which you can choose. You can create variations of any of the 4 images by clicking on V, or you can upscale an image by clicking on U if you are happy with the result. Let's upscale the first image. Wait till your image gets upscaled and save it. That's all. It is that simple. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any similar videos.